show you guys how to take apart the Tippmann's valve. It's actually pretty difficult, so that's kind of the reason why I never did a video before. If you look inside of here, you can actually see there's a lock ring. So we're gonna have to take that out of the valve so that we can take it apart. So you need something to push down the center of the valve. Switch hands. And then you're gonna need I use an X-Acto knife and needle nose pliers. So you pry up the edge of the lock ring. There. It just makes it a lot easier just turning the valve to get the lock ring out. There's your little pain in the butt lock ring. So now all you have to do is flip the valve over, and there's your guts. So here's your pin that the hammer strikes. On the back of the pin you can actually see this little rubber seal. That's what keeps all your air in. You also have a O-ring and a seal on this cap piece, and then this is your spring for your valve. So a lot of times what happens with people that are having problems with this valve is there's usually garbage in the valve. And actually, I don't know if you guys can see it on video, my spring actually does have kind of a good amount of crap all over it. So to get this working correctly, just clean it, lube it, put it back together again, and retest.